combination in this car with a smaller engine. You can run up to 526 cubic inches. Callaway running the 470. Brad Anderson power plant that he ran in his alcohol dragster. He's a little bit behind from that standpoint, from being down on horsepower, but he makes up for it in driving time. This kid can cut a light. Callaway and brother Johnny, Stacy McLemore, and all the guys down there. Business as usual for those guys. Then Callaway and Roe Yale. Roe's an engineer by trade. Knows all those angles and understands all the high-tech stuff that it takes to operate one of these alcohol-funny cars. So the second pair getting set to go. Roe Yale puts on the top off, so does Callaway. Fires and falls back, and Roe Yale will click it early also, so he'll coast through the lights in 6.90 seconds. For you stat keepers listening in on NHRA.com, Callaway coasts through at 10.76